VA disability compensation is monthly tax-free cash for veterans with a service-connected disability, rated from 0 to 100%. A 100% single vet gets over $3,800 a month in 2026. Here is the application step-by-step, the 2026 rate table, the C and P exam most claims require, and what to do if you get denied or underrated. 2 things must be true to qualify. 1. You served in the active military, naval, air, or Coast Guard service and received an other than dishonorable discharge. Reservists and National Guard members can qualify for periods of active service. 2. You have a current physical or mental disability that's connected to your service, meaning it began during service, was caused by service, or pre-existed but worsened because of service. 4 forms together. Form 21-526EZ is the main application. Application for disability compensation and related compensation benefits. Form 21-22A if you want a veterans service organization or attorney to represent you. Lay statements from people who knew you during service or witness your symptoms now. Medical evidence, DD-214, service treatment records, current medical records from your provider. Get them all before you file. Filing on VA.gov. Go to va.gov/disability/file disability claim form 21-526EZ. Sign in with id.me, login.gov, or dslogon. The online form takes about 30 minutes if you have everything ready. You can save and resume. Upload PDFs of evidence, DD-214, medical records, lay statements, right in the application. Most online claims are processed faster than mailed ones. 2026 monthly compensation rates for a single veteran with no dependents. 10% rating, $175. 30%, $537. 50%, $1,102. 70%, $1,759. 100%, $3,831. Add dependents. Spouse adds about 200. Each child adds about 100. Parents you support add more. A 100% vet with spouse and 2 kids tops $4,200 a month tax-free. Rates adjust annually for COLA. The C and P exam, compensation and pension. After you file, the VA usually schedules you for an exam with a contracted medical provider. The doctor evaluates the severity of your condition based on the VA schedule for rating disabilities. The doctor is not your treating physician. They are an independent examiner. Show up, answer honestly, bring your medical records. The exam outcome heavily influences your rating. Reschedule rather than miss it. Missing causes denial. Fully developed claim fast track. If you submit all the evidence upfront, service records, medical records, lay statements, completed forms, and check the FDC box on 21-526EZ, the VA promises faster processing. The reasoning: they don't have to chase down evidence. FDC claims process in roughly 3 to 6 months versus 6 to 18 for standard claims. Most veterans should aim for FDC. Appeals if denied or underrated. You have only a year from the decision date to choose one of 3 appeal paths. Higher level review. A senior reviewer looks at the same evidence. Supplemental claim. You add new evidence and request a new decision. Board appeal. Takes you to the Board of Veterans' Appeals. Most veterans use supplemental claim because it lets new evidence in. Pick the right path or you waste 6 months. Recap. VA disability equals tax-free monthly cash for service-connected conditions. Apply on va.gov with Form 21-526EZ. 2026 rates from $175 to over $3,800 a month plus dependent additions. Bring evidence. Show up to the C and P exam. Submit a fully developed claim to fast track. If denied, you have 1 year to appeal through supplemental claim, higher level review, or board appeal.